Hi there, my name is Fran Siracusa and I'm from Clearwater, Florida, and I am honored to be able to present at the Montessori Model UN conference in New York City this week. Um, I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know that I'm an educational technologist. I have a company called Collaborator Global, and I'm a Spanish teacher. Um, and I teach K-5 Spanish right now. I have spent 21 years in the classroom, and I am also very engaged in professional development consulting and presenting at conferences and writing. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about the two workshops that I'm going to be facilitating during the conference. The first one is Preparing for a Better World, UN Sustainable Development Goals plus Youth. And I speak to the fact that young people can act as active and responsible members of society when educators empower them. So, through the global lens of the UN's global goals, or what we call the SDGs, students can participate in exercises where they can campaign, create, and innovate. So, we will be reviewing some student case studies from around the world where such students devise actions that build up to the impact that our world needs right now, and especially to reach the goals by 2030. So, teacher attendees will participate in an interactive exercise that's a lot of fun, and it will allow for reflective action and voice. And then you can imitate it so that your students can use their student voice later. So, educator teams will practice capacities for global competence and be able to implement these ideas immediately in class next week. So, my second session is called Global Collaborator Tech plus Social Action for the SDGs. And again, we will utilize the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs, as our genuine purpose. But we're going to be applying ISTE's Student Standard Number 7, which is Global Collaborator. ISTE stands for the International Society for Technology and Education. So when students, according to the ISTE standard, when students use digital tools to broaden their perspectives and enrich their learning by collaborating with others and working effectively in teams locally and globally, they are empowered to participate in authentic global action. So during this workshop, I will present viewpoints, case studies, and collaborative networks to demonstrate possible student impact upon the Agenda 2030. And most importantly, I will identify a variety of digital tools, most of which are completely free, and some resources that infuse creativity, innovation, and sharing. So together we can leverage digital technology for social good. I look forward to seeing you all later this week. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.